Alright, if you've ever wanted to grow on YouTube but worried about copyright strikes, takedowns, or the stress of finding royalty-free content, today's video is going to be a game changer. I'm going to show you how to make YouTube videos without copyright issues, and how to do it faster, easier, and smarter using one powerful tool, Real Transformer. Let's be honest, creating videos for YouTube can feel overwhelming. You need a script, visuals, music, captions, and a voiceover. If you're trying to avoid copyright problems, you end up spending hours searching for free images, royalty-free tracks, or stock footage. And even then, you're never 100% sure if what you're using is safe. One mistake can cost you your channel's credibility, or worse, get your video removed. That's why so many creators give up before they even start. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a professional editor or spend hundreds of dollars on stock libraries to make copyright-safe videos. You just need the right system. That's exactly where Real Transformer comes in. It's an AI-powered storytelling video creator that handles everything: scripts, visuals, AI voiceovers, captions, background music, and rendering, all in one place. And here's the best part. Everything it generates is copyright safe. That means no strikes, no takedowns, and no stress. Instead of juggling 5 different apps, you can type in a simple idea, and Real Transformer transforms it into a complete, faceless video ready to publish on YouTube. Let me break it down in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter your idea. You start by typing in a seed idea, something like, "She was about to quit her business until one stranger changed everything." Real Transformer Story AI instantly turns that into a compelling script designed to keep viewers watching. Step 2. Generate visuals and voiceovers. The visual AI matches your story with engaging clips, images, or even AI-generated visuals. Then the AI voiceover gives your video professional narration without you ever needing to record yourself. No copyright worries, no expensive stock footage. Step 3. Build and publish. The video builder combines everything: script, visuals, captions, transitions, and background music into a polished video. You can customize it, add your branding, and export it optimized for YouTube. In minutes, you've got a storytelling video that's copyright safe and ready to go viral. Think about what this means for you. No more stressing over copyright strikes. No more wasting hours editing. Instead, you can focus on ideas and storytelling, while Real Transformer does the heavy lifting. Whether you're building a faceless YouTube channel, promoting affiliate products, selling digital courses, or just growing your personal brand, this tool gives you leverage. One idea becomes a complete video, ready to attract views, subscribers, and sales. You might be wondering, can I use my own images and clips? Absolutely. Real Transformer lets you upload your own media, replace visuals, and personalize every scene. Do I need editing experience? Nope. The workflow is beginner-friendly, and most users create their first video within minutes. Do I need to be on camera? Not at all. This is faceless storytelling at its best. So here's the bottom line. If you want to make YouTube videos without copyright issues, and if you want to create content that actually gets watched, Real Transformer is the shortcut you've been waiting for. It's fast, it's easy, and it's built to help creators like you grow without burnout. Click the link below, try Real Transformer today, and start turning your ideas into binge-worthy storytelling videos. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more growth tools, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'll create first with Real Transformer. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.